Hi, it's Emily here from Lakes and Hills. A while ago, you may have seen that I put a post on to say that I was developing a new product, and I've been busy away, beavering away, working at it, and I'm now ready to launch. So what is it? Well, it's the summer, and I know that many of you don't actually like candles during the day in the summer. They tend to be a very autumnal, winter, spring thing, but you still want your home to smell really nice. And you also like things that improve your mood, especially with things like lavender to calm you down and the lime and things like that to zhuzh you up and make you feel better. Well, I've been working on some diffuser essential oils. How do you use them? Well, you get one of these. Here we have an Aroma Diffuser. It's brilliant, really. I take this everywhere with me. It does actually plug in, but I believe you can get battery operated ones. I'm not going to be selling these actual gadgets simply because you can buy them from anywhere. You can get them from Amazon, eBay, from shops. I got this one actually from Waitrose, and it's an AromaWorks one, and I particularly like this one because you don't have to mess about with cartridges. And they're so simple to use. You know, I'm really surprised I haven't cottoned onto these a lot earlier than what I have. But I love them because they can keep things natural. I'm one of them people who hates, with a passion, any form of artificial air freshener. I don't like them plug-in things. It just gets down my throat, makes me choke, makes me sneeze. Not good. So I've been developing a range that I think are going to be absolutely super. And not only do I think some of these absolutely make your house smell gorgeous, but some can really improve your mood. I'm really obsessed with essential oils, have been for many years, and love them. So it really made sense for me to develop these products so that you can use them too. If you've never seen an aroma diffuser before and you're wondering how they work, so simple. As I said, I think you can get some battery operated ones now, but this is a plug-in one. And literally you just, with this one, you just take the top off and you'll see there's like a little area there. You fill that up to a water level, you can see my water levels there, and you put some drops of the oils in and put the lid on, switch it on, and away you go. Within a few seconds, you're smelling these beautiful, beautiful aromas. How much are these? Well, this one, I think from Waitrose was around about £20 when I bought it. But you can get different ones, as I say, from Amazon and eBay, anywhere from around about £9–10 upwards. In fact, I've seen some for 300. Don't think I'll be buying one of those, but it plays you music. This one actually lights up as well, so it's got some mood lighting as well, which is absolutely fantastic. My range comes in the most beautiful little box. These are FSC certified, and even the tissue paper inside is as well. So I'm trying to keep as environmentally friendly as possible. And you'll see some little bottles. Now you can have the whole set here in this box, and there's about 7 in this set. And they all do different things. And in a minute, I'm going to be explaining individually what each one is and what each one does. I'm also bringing out some other ones in the range, which I'm just working on at present. So for people who suffer with bad headaches, for people who really do feel totally lethargic, for women who are suffering from the menopause. So there's loads and loads of different ones that I'm bringing out, but I'm doing them individually because what I want you to do is, if you don't want to buy the set, then you could try the ones that really are aimed at you and what you think you might use. But all I know is I take this everywhere with me and just plug it in. But I've even got 2 in my house now. Shh, don't tell the husband. I think he thinks I've just got 1, but I've got 2. Because I love them so much. And as I say, I can alter my mood, whether I want really zhuzhing up in the morning and bringing to life, or whether I need to calm the jets down in the evening and just take things at a little bit more slower pace. So the reason I'm not selling these is because everybody wants something different. Some people want bigger ones than this that can go on for hours and hours and hours. Some want something more portable and small. Some want different colours. Some want no colours. So for me to stock that whole range of what everybody wants would be rather silly, because I'd probably end up with stock that didn't fly off the shelves and stock that did. So I'm sure you can find these online pretty easy. If you do want to actually get this one in Waitrose, Believe it or not, it's not in like the candle and the scented section. It's actually where the air fresheners are. Yeah, it took me a little while to find it. Hunting in the store looking for this one in particular. But there's just so many makes now. They're becoming really popular. But what I think I've done is develop some really good blends to really help people. And I know they work on me, I know they've worked on some of my best friends, and I know some of them can't wait for them to be released so they can get more of them because they've been in test. So give them a go. You just never know. Maybe you've been on a lot of tablets for things and you're not getting anywhere, or you don't feel as well as you want to do. Give it a go. Give essential oils a go. I do have to give some safety precautions with these little bottles. Do not drink it, do not put it on your skin. These are solely for the aroma diffusers. You can use essential oils on your skin, but they have to be blended, like I do at home, with certain oils, and they have to be in certain strengths. And again, you can take essential oils internally as well, but again, it's got to be done properly. You can't just go guzzling this down. So these are not for eating, drinking, and they are certainly not for putting on your skin. Also, just a little tip here, when you use your aroma diffuser, do it in an area where if you knock this over or you splash anything, you are not going to damage your surfaces. Essential oils can actually affect your surfaces, so I try to do this like on a stainless steel kitchen sink. That way then if I spill any, it's not going to cause any issues. I also place my aroma diffuser on a big glass type coaster. That way then, if it gets knocked, not going to have issues. So I hope you're going to enjoy these ranges. I'm totally blown away by them, and they come in a 10ml bottle, but again, this is what's really weird. I managed to squeeze 15 mils into the bottle, so you're getting a little bit more than the 10 mils that's specified. I like to fill them up to the top. I think it's mean just to fill them to a 10ml line down there. So you're getting a good shot of the different things. Just to give you a quick run through, we've got everything to improve your mood, for focus, for people who are lethargic, who are tired and need picking up, for people who need to really focus. This one's called Focus Blend. I've been using this when actually I have to do a lot of work and I have to be really focused and concentrated. But have a look at the different little videos for each one of these, and you'll find what each one of them is set to do. And as I say, you can have the whole set, or we're going to be doing pick and mix. So I hope you enjoy them, hope you like them as much as I do, and I'll get on making some more products. Take care, have a great summer, and if you've got any questions at all, fire them at me. If you've got a suggestion for an oil, a blend that you want for something in particular, let me know. Let me see what we can come up with, and we'll do some tests. Anyway, have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye.